Behind me, I happen to have one of the highest performing cars from factory. This is a 992 Turbo S, one of the fastest cars that money can buy. Here at SSR Performance, we like to take things to the next level. So we upgraded the exhaust with a full Ryft exhaust. We have pure upgraded turbos on this car. We have a CSF upgraded intercooler, as well as a full M1 Methanol Kit. And we're tuning it with M Engineering on our very own Mustang dyno. Keep in mind, M Engineering happens to be one of the best tuners in the world when it comes to these 992 Turbo S's. We're gonna go ahead and see what kind of power this car makes. All right, let's see what we got. Damn, that was a good run, bro. Let's check it out. Let's check out the numbers. All right, guys, so as you can see right here, we had the modifications already on the car, so it's already breathing a little bit of extra air. We made 610 wheel horsepower on our Mustang dyno and 510 wheel torque. And then with our upgraded performance package that we have on this car, we were able to make 818 wheel horsepower and 644 torque. Guys, that's over 200 wheel horsepower on our Mustang dyno. That is absolutely nuts. What that means for this car is that it does a 9-second flat quarter mile and a 2-second flat 0 to 60. 2 seconds. And that's with a Turbo S, just with our bolt-ons. Guys, this is not by surprise. This is not by luck. SSR Performance, we know how to make these cars make power, and this thing's ready to hit the streets. Let's go.